Yes, August 28th at Zendesk installation. We we will install the um, NeatPad, and also we will hook up into the internet. So this NeatPad will get into the Neat bar, the one that I'll install at the TV. So we already we're gonna patch the NeatPad on the network. So I will patch now. So finding the net port, there's no port in here at the top of the table, so we can find it on the bottom of the table. So there's a plate there, there's a 2 Ethernet there. The one you can patch on the neat bar, and the other one Ethernet port will be patched on the this one, room booking and NeatPad. Okay, then once you patch those Ethernet port to NeatPad and the room booking, Neat room booking, you need to pair it just like that. You need to sign in if not, you're going to send the code, the unique code to the Zoom. Yeah, and then that's it. And I already patched the NeatPad controller to the network, and it's an internet there. So you can see now the NeatPad controller, this one, it has an IP now and already been connected to the neat bar at the bottom of the TV. Yeah. See, now you can see what's happening. Now you can test this audio microphone. Check, hey, 1 2 3, test my case 1 2 3. You can test it again. Test mic 1 2 3. Test mic 1 2 3. And that is how you can test the mic if it's working or not. Then testing the speakers. These two, how to test the speakers. Yeah. It's working fine. Test it again. Yeah, and then that's all that we need to set it up, this Zoom conferencing at the Zendesk. And later on I will install the room booking, this one, at the when the clients enter the room, it must be a room booking there, so you can book the schedule for the Zoom room to have a meeting, to schedule it before the meeting. Yeah, this is the room booking. Now we're gonna install the network port. I already pull the network port at the ceiling, and we're gonna patch it to the room booking. Thank you, and that's all.